Hi everybody! Yesterday I finished the integration of creating DAV ID in Missions Frontend tab, and today I'm going to work on integrating the transaction creation for the mission contract. Bye!
Hey guys, yesterday I created several issues for the current version of the Missions app and worked with Linnewiel, our developer, on the new version that will introduce the new design. Today I started working on a new section in the website that will visualize how blockchain can be used in transportation today, and also started adding the integration guide for DAV CLI on our developer portal. This is it guys, thanks.
Hey everybody, so today I had multiple calls regarding the DAV Alliance. That was quite fruitful. Also had a really good meeting today with a couple of unofficial advisors for the foundation. That was also great. And I've started work on earnest for the DAV Ambassador Program, and I'll be providing more information about that as we hit a few milestones. I'll be able to talk about it a bit more. And that's it for me today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hi everyone. Yesterday after my meeting with Noam, I continued with our ongoing contributor communications. Today, like I do just about weekly, I'll be reaching out to our earliest contributors and potential contributors to talk about an update and to seek feedback. See them tomorrow.
Hey DailyDAVers. So yesterday I almost finished the flow between mission control and Captain Coex through the use of the DAV.js SDK. I also added Webpack to the DAV SDK so that it will be able to open through the browser, from the browser actually. And I'm going to try to finish all of the flows between the different components today, so it will be almost working, ready for the next few days when we do the final touches and make it work. Bye!
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today I sat with Noam on the new DAV in a nutshell video that we're going to be shooting in the next few days, and then I did some more minor correction to Alan Messer's interview. Hopefully that will be it. And then I did some more work on a DAV Alliance script. I started visualizing it and towards making the storyboard. And then I made the 100th DailyDAV, which was creating a special thumbnail and a special opener. And that is it for today. See you next time.